I was on call 24/7 for 5 years with a particular family, 24/7. And they would literally call me at 2 o'clock in the morning and they'd say, "Hey, we have a drama. Can you come help us out?" And whatever. And it was exhausting. It was really exhausting. And I didn't know a lot about boundaries at the time. And I hated the relationship. I hated it because every time the phone rang, I felt obligated. Like I'm the fix it person. I got to get up in the middle of the night. I got to go over and fix their sorry dramas. And then as soon as we fixed the dramas, they would create new ones because that's their comfort zone. And then they would call me up again at 2 o'clock in the morning. "Hey, we have a new drama. Come see if you can fix it." And I had to say, you know what? This is really unhealthy. I love you guys, but now no dramas after hours. No dramas on other days of the week except for Thursday. I only have one day a week where I can solve dramas. And I had to start creating boundaries. And you know what? The most mysterious thing happened. Our relationship got better. We built up the trust between us. They only called me on Thursdays. And I said, "Hey, listen, I've decided I'm happier around you when you guys fix your own problems and that I'm not obligated to do that. So now I'm going to fix my problems. I'm going to let you guys fix your problems. And now from now on, starting from right now, if you ever have new problems and chaos, I'm just going to sit here and watch it like a puppet show. And then at the end, I'm going to say, oh, that's so sad. And I'm not going to get involved." And they're like, "Oh." And so they tell me all their drama. And at the end, I'm like, "Oh, that's so sad." And I felt no obligation whatsoever because we created new boundaries. And because the boundaries were new and they were healthy. And then I stuck to that on a reliable, consistent basis. We started building the trust between us. And they became friends, kind of friends from a distance. We were never as close as we once were, but I did not have the chaos and I did not have the drama in my life. All right. So the purpose for today's conversation is for us to take a really big look at who we are as people. What is our relationship with other people? And are we doing our part to be trustworthy? Because we cannot trust other people until we can first trust ourselves.